Hey, Dan here. Today we're looking at a 2017 Kia Sorento. Customer called and said they were driving the car down the road and all of a sudden it started making some really bad noises from the engine and then it just stopped running. We said, okay, get it towed down here, we'll take a look at it, see what we can figure out. Got the vehicle in, lifted it up, and there was definitely some major issues going on inside the engine. As you can see here from the hole in the block on both sides of the motor and a big hole in the oil pan, that the engine had seized up. A couple of the connecting rods had broken and been ejected out of the motor. We advised the customer that we would need to replace the motor to get the vehicle back on the road. We were able to find that through Kia you can get reasonably priced remanufactured engine that comes with a nationwide warranty. So we went ahead and did that, got the customer back on the road. They were extremely happy that not only did they basically have a new engine in their vehicle and they could continue driving it instead of having a car payment, they were really happy in how fast we were able to get that turned around for them. So if you have a vehicle that's having some engine issues and you're not quite sure where to go with it or what's going on, we do offer free estimates. We do offer nationwide warranty on our repairs. So not only can you get a repair done here, but you can have the peace of mind knowing no matter where you are that you'll have warranty. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people can get this information.